If you want to know how to add text like this.
Hey, what's up YouTubers? My name is Raymond and I'm a filmmaker from Nigeria.
Stick around to the end of this tutorial. Text is an essential element in video production, and Premiere Pro has offered many tools that can help you edit text in your videos. I'll walk you step by step on how to achieve that. Here we are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, and we're working from the caption and graphic window. So what you need to do now is to press letter T on your keyboard, or you could just pick your type tool from here and then type in the text. Once you type your first word, you align it vertical and horizontal from here. Then what you need to do next is to customize your font size. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use this font. And I'll make it bold. Alright, and then from here you have total control. What you need to be doing now is to change the color. Okay, so you just click on fill. I love to make it there. It's good for the purpose of this tutorial. And you click on your strokes, you make your strokes black, and then you increase your strokes to the size you want. See? Then you trim it down. You open up your timeline so you can have a proper view of your videos here. So the next thing we need to do is to hide it for now, and then we need to create some markers on our audio waveform. Alright, you can create those markers by pressing M on your keyboard. So where your next word start, you just press M at the beginning. Okay, hey, right here you press M. What's up, you press M. YouTubers, M.
My name is.
So what you need to do now is to trim this right here, and you highlight it. Alright, then you press Alt on your keyboard and then drag to the next point. Okay, don't worry about the alignment for now, we'll settle that in just a minute. So this is hey, what's up YouTubers. You double click on it and you type Once you have everything together, what you need to do next is to pick your rolling edit tool by pressing N on your keyboard, or you could just navigate it right here, and then it will help you to, you know, adjust the text.
Hey,
what's up? Okay,
what's up
from right here you come to the middle and then drag it here.
YouTubers.
Yeah, this is aligned. You just aligned the text to where you mark. Okay, so once that's done, you right click on the marker and then you clear markers, and they're all gone. So let's render that quickly and preview.
What's up YouTubers, my name is Raymond and I'm a filmmaker from Nigeria.
So that's it on how to add text in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, do well to just like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.